Hola, el rey del crypto as aquí. Okay, let's do it in English instead. This is going to be a short, unedited video. Why is my looking fucking strange? Well, never mind. Short, unedited video about a new project called the Animal Farm. It's a follow-up from the manor farm that that I mentioned. Wow, excuse me. I'm having a bit of a cold. I mentioned on my Facebook and Twitter a while back. I made 7x on this farm project on the Rev token. That is a local token for this site. They were like I made 7x in 14 days or 1 week or something like that, and they were up in $200 plus when this site closed down. And you could use those tokens for the pre-sale of the animal farm. The pre-sale is now done. And there you have it. The price per token, if you had a Rev token, was 270 USD. But it's pre-sale over, so you can no longer buy this pre-sales token. If you have these tokens from the old farm, they're not any longer called Rev, but they are called L2, and they will be exchanged for the native tokens of this site, which will be pigs and dogs. And this is a very hyped project, and if these new tokens do anything like the tokens on the old farm, they will go up big time. But if you don't want to bet on that, there will be, as on every farms, pools and farms where you can put in your tokens for big APRs like 1000% or more. And so if you're going into this place, you can do it with BNB and USD, so you can have stablecoins, so there's no chance that you're losing any money, but you get a lot of rewards, like 1000%, 2000%, or probably more, in the native token that is dogs, and then you can do stuff with those. Well, if you're not familiar with how these things work, you probably think this sounds really super crazy, but it's really a fantastic chance to get a big gains in a short time. So why not try it out with whatever you think you can lose. I don't think you will lose anything. You will probably make some good gains, but check it out. I will sure check it out. I will use my tokens from the manor farm and put it into this farm, and I will also do some farming and pooling to get these big APRs that will be getting on here. So I'm counting on doing some really nice gains on this new farm, and it will open tomorrow, Tuesday. That's why I'm doing this video tonight, and I thought I will also show you how you can do this in the easiest possible way. First of all, you need to have this is on the Binance Smart Chain, so you need to have BNBs from Binance, preferable, or wherever, and you need to transfer them to a browser wallet called MetaMask. So just download it, install it, follow the instructions, and then you will end up with this. I also expand the view so these things stop collapsing all the time. So here we are with full view. So we need to go to settings, networks, and then you just add this, add a network and fill in this stuff. These are the important things, and this the other stuff are optional. You can name it whatever you want, but this must be as it shows here, and this must be the chain ID must be 56, and then you get to the Binance chain. So really easy. When you have your MetaMask set up, you just go to the Animal Farm, the animal.farm. This is not active yet. It will be active tomorrow. So instead I will show how this works on PancakeSwap, which is the original farm on the Binance Smart Chain. You can probably do it from here. It doesn't seem it's open yet, but you can go to, just to show you, I'll show you here. First you need to trade whatever you want. Let's say we want some, what pools do we have here? We have like BNB BUSD pool. So let's get some Binance USD. So you just put it in here, enter the amount. I don't want 664 BUSD. I'm just showing you here. So let's buy 10. So you just enter the amount here, enter your BNBs here, your BUSD here, or whatever you need to buy to get into the pool. And then you click swap, confirm swap. Then you will need to confirm it here. There will be a small fee, but it's very cheap on the Binance Smart Chain in contrast to Ethereum. So that will take a few seconds. There it's done. You can close it here. I can check my wallet, and I should have some BUSD. There you go. I already had some, so. But yeah, that's how you do it. So let's say we want to add this to this pool here. Then we need to get some liquidity. You go to trade and liquidity. You enter the tokens you need to provide liquidity for. So in this case I added BUSD and BNB, and then you hit supply. When you hit supply, you'll be part of a liquidity pool, and you will earn fees when people trade between these tokens, and you will get the liquidity pool tokens you need for the Animal Farm. As it's still not open, and it will open tomorrow, I will so let's say we made this trade here, and you got your liquidity tokens BUSD and BNB. Just find the pool that you want to add it to, or the farm in this case. So here you got it. It's really easy. You just go in here. You need to enable it for a small fee, and then you just provide your liquidity tokens here. Pretty easy. When you don't want to be in this farm anymore, you just take out your LP tokens, go back to the liquidity pool, and exchange your liquidity pools for the original tokens. And never mind this, it can be pretty complicated and risky, so the easiest thing to do is to go to the pools. Here you just need to provide one token. So you can take just BUSD and earn a big interest. You can even input in BTC, or you can put cake. So it's a lot of big, well-known, pretty safe tokens, and of course stable coins will not change in value at all. So all you're getting here is a fantastic APR, and if you get a lot of dogs, or if you buy dogs, you can put them in here and get pigs. If you have pigs, you can go to the pig pen and put them in here, and then you get a lot of BUSD, and it will be really high APRs here. And you will also, if you're having a lot of pigs here, you will get fees from all trades on this farm. So yeah, I'm sorry for this pretty bad and unedited. Oh, fuck it, I still need to edit it because it was just plain awful. But it will be a quick fix. I just wanted to let you know about this opportunity that will be up tomorrow, Tuesday, the January. What do we get tomorrow? Oh no, it's February the 1st. So check it out, get into it, earn some big amount on cryptos. Maybe I shouldn't stay here forever because you never know what happens, but as long as you stay in stable coins or the big coins and don't fool around with pigs and dogs if you don't want to, the big money will probably be in pigs and dogs. Like I said, the Rev token on the old site had I did 7x, and it was people that did much more on it. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know about this opportunity. Please check it out, and if you do, please use my link below, because then I will get a small award for this fantastic video. Alright, bye.